Good morning, my name is Lincoln Get. Today I'm going to present to you my NIICE project, which is the Smart Indoor Home Garden Management using IoTs. So I will proceed to introduction. The project is designed and developed for people who prefer to grow the gardens and small plants in their homes. It will help the user to control and monitor the garden even if the user is far away by using IoT. It will allow the user to control and use the system to carry out the gardening activities, and automatic irrigation system is designed based on fuzzy logic. The plants we use is watercress because short harvest time, easy to grow, and requires small spaces. Our problem statement is the price of vegetable rose sharply due to the supply problem caused by COVID-19. It may be a burden to people who have a low income. Many vegetables and fruit may contain harmful substances due to the use of chemical fertilizer. People may face many problems such as lack of space and time to grow the plants. Our objective is to allow the user to grow the plants with a narrow spaces and low-cost budget, to avoid the intake of harmful substances, to allow the user to control and monitor parameters and conditions of the garden anywhere and anytime. Next, I will proceed to the project. We will start. First of all, we will initialize the microcontroller, check the Wi-Fi connectivity. The sensor will capture the data and convert to readable readings and send to the blink system. The user will be able to read and analyze the data from the blink platform. Next, if the automatic mode is not switched on, you will wait for the response from the user. So therefore the actuators will activate based on the user. If the automatic mode is on, you will check the interior light sensor and the exterior light sensor. Then you will proceed to the fuzzy logic irrigation system, so that the irrigation will be function based on the fuzzy logic. So we will proceed to the schematic diagram. This is the schematic diagram of the project. For the fuzzy logic, the input of the fuzzy logic will be the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. The output will be the water demand for the plants. Three of these parameters will influence the water needed for the plants. Next, we will proceed to the fuzzy logic rule. As you can see, this is the fuzzy logic rule. So the water demand will be calculated based on these rules. So we will proceed to the result of this project. This is my project prototype. The left one is the project at night, and the right one is the project. Next, we will proceed to a control unit. This is the control unit of the project. This will be the sensor of the project. Proceed to water pump, the grow light system. And now I will present to you the software platform. The Android platform of the project. This will be the result of the project in the different time scenario. So I will proceed to the demonstration of this project. For the left is the Android platform. So when we control the growing light, it will based on the watering system. Now we will proceed to So basically, the user may control the actuators based on from the platform. So if the automatic mode is switched on, therefore it will be run based on the log fuzzy logic. Next, we will proceed to the graph of the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. The graph above will be the graph for the fuzzy logic irrigation system. As you can see, the system will be the soil moisture will be better between the range 50 and 60. for the non-fuzzy logic system, since at night the user may be able to monitor the data. Therefore, the soil moisturity will be low, extremely low for this time period, because the user may not able to control it. But if you use the fuzzy logic irrigation system, it will be always maintained at the very bad, very good situations. So we proceed to a conclusion. The smart indoor home garden management using IoT can determine the water demand of the plants based on the inputs by using fuzzy logic under automatic mode. The grow light will be controlled based on the light intensity of the interior and exterior of the garden in automatic mode. The parameters such as the temperature, humidity, soil moisturity, and light intensity have been collected, and the intelligent part has been developed using fuzzy logic. The user can collect the data from the blink and control the actuators by using the interface system designed on the blink. So this project will be beneficial for healthy lifestyle citizens who plan to produce vegetable source at low cost, but at the same time manage to maintain the need of the plants. This project will contribute and can be commercialized to overcome food security. The project is not in the proposal in terms of material use and accessories, since it's still in initial state. pH value sensor will be added to monitor the nutrient of the plant, so that the user will be able to know when to apply the fertilizer. The function rule of the project is created by programmer and will not changed by the user. Therefore, in future, we will set a software that can control by the user. So this is the end of my project. Thank you.